Welcome to Tuesday of week 17. We are traveling in Central America this week and we'll go to Guatemala. And they have a dish called Pollo a la crema, which is basically a chicken dish. And so we have some chicken, which is boneless, skinless chicken breast cut into 1-inch cubes. You have some chicken stock or broth, some cream, flour, some tomato ketchup, and then a little bit of olive oil. Now, in the recipe they use butter. I'm using olive oil just to make it a little better for us. With that, what we will serve is, we'll serve that in a tortilla. So I have 6 tortillas here. We'll put some rice, and then we'll cook some beans here, and then on top of that we'll put the chicken. It's like a taco, Guatemalan style. So that's the dish. Very simple. Should not take much time because the beans are already cooked. So it's just making it a little more with a little bit of heat and a little bit of cumin. Cook it quickly. Some onions, some garlic. We have a little bit of tomatoes and coriander here to serve with the dish. Very simple. Let's start cooking. I have 2 pots hitting at the same time. So we'll start cooking the chicken on this one, both on medium-high heat. So I have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. To this, we'll add the chicken. We'll add some salt and pepper. Let this cook. In the meantime, let's move to my other pot. This is 1 tablespoon of olive oil. So this will add half chopped onions. Let this sweat a little bit, soften up. Add a little bit of salt. And a little bit of pepper. We'll cook the beans in this. Let's come back to the chicken. We'll cook this till it is a little brown. These are cut in very small pieces, so it shouldn't take that much time. The onions are soft. We'll add the garlic to this. Cook it for like 30 seconds. Just till the aroma of the garlic, you can smell the aroma of the garlic. We'll add the cumin and the chili. So this is chipotle chili peppers. It has a smoky taste to this. We'll add the black beans. We'll add the chicken stock. We'll increase the heat. You can see the juices are running out of the chicken. So at this point we will add the ketchup. So this is about 2 tablespoons of ketchup. We'll add the flour. This is again 2 tablespoons of flour. To add a little bit of salt. We'll add the chicken stock to this. The flour will thicken this up. And to this, we'll add the cream. Let it come to a boil and then we'll simmer it till the chicken is cooked and the liquid has thickened. Let us taste the chicken. Yeah, the salt is good, so we don't need to add anything more. And the beans. It needs a little bit of salt. We let it cook till the water dries up and the chicken thickens up, and then we'll come back and show you. The beans are ready. It's fully cooked. We'll add the tomatoes and the cilantro to this. We've cooked the chicken We've cooked the beans and the rice. We've heated up the tortillas. So the way we want to serve this is to put a little bit of rice. You don't want too much. Just spread it around, maybe a spoon, spoon and a half. And then we'll put the chicken. Actually, we'll put the black bean first. And then the chicken. Again, the chicken is the key to this dish. It's creamy, it's soft, it's beautiful. So that's Pollo a la crema from Guatemala in Central America. Hope you liked our video. Short, sweet. Have a great day. Bon appetit, and see you tomorrow with another Central American dish.